Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very special guest hanging out with me in the background, as you can tell. But anyways, in today's video, I thought I would sit down with you guys real quick to tell you guys about this app that I recently downloaded called Influenster. Did I say it right? Influenster. So Influenster is an app where you can discover new products, where people leave many different types of reviews on all types of products. You can literally search anything and there will be a review over the product. I heard about this app through a friend telling me that you could receive free products as long as you leave a review about the product. So I was like, that sounds interesting. I feel like since I do have a YouTube channel that this would be a perfect opportunity for me to try different products and review them for the people on Influenster and also for you guys. So I received my very first Voxbox from them, and this box is with the brand Simple. All I had to do was fill out this survey answering a few questions about what type of skin I had, and then they just randomly pick, I'm assuming. I'm not exactly how they choose who they want to send a Voxbox to. Since I was chosen for a Voxbox, I have to leave a review, try these out, leave my honest opinion on how they work. So I thought I would do this on camera for you guys and share it with you. So let's see what we got. So the first thing is this little postcard. It has the two items that I got in it. Let's see what items I got. The first item I got is this Simple Skincare Water Boost Hydrating Cleansing Wipe. Awesome! The second product that I received in this box is the Simple Skincare Water Boost Hydrating Gel Cream. So those are the two products that I received in my very first Voxbox from Influenster. I'm very excited to try both of these products out. I feel like Simple is a very good brand and I feel like these will not disappoint me, but I don't know if they will or not. So I guess we could try these out real quick as makeup wipes to see how well it is. And then I'll wash my face and do my nightly routine, but add this into it and see how it is, and then come and give you a verdict at the end of it. Usually to take my makeup off, I put an oil all over my face to dissolve the makeup, and then I use a makeup wipe. So I don't know if I should do that or just try. We'll just try it. They don't have a strong smell. It smells like every other makeup wipe to me, so that's nice. So let's see how well it takes off makeup. I feel like it did a pretty good job taking everything off. As you guys can tell, that makeup wipe did really good at taking off all of my makeup. I'm sure there's definitely some residue of makeup on, but that's why you continue to wash your face after a makeup wipe. The only thing is, I feel like my mascara is still on, but I don't really like to use makeup wipes to remove my mascara because that's a lot of tugging around the eyes. So I would definitely continue to use these as a makeup wipe. They feel great on the skin. I don't really feel like the super hydration like it claims to be, doesn't make your skin feel super hydrated. I would definitely buy these. I definitely recommend them. The price range for these is around $4, so it's definitely a good buy. I would recommend it. Now I'm gonna go complete my nightly routine real quick, and then I'm gonna try out this hydrating gel cream and leave it on overnight to see how it feels, tell you guys what my first initial thoughts of it, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back, raw as ever. I'm in my jammies already, and I just got done finishing washing my face, and I got carried away with extracting my face, so that's why I am very red right now. But I'm ready to try out this hydrating gel cream for the very first time. It looks like this little thing, 1.7 fluid ounces. So we are going to try it out and see how it feels. the smell. I'm just gonna do one little dollop, as so. No smell at all. Just gonna dab this on the face. Ooh, feels so good on the skin. Oh my god, it's like a cooling effect. I'm just gonna rub this in. Oh, this feels so good because my skin was so dry feeling, especially after just torturing it with doing extractions. Those bad boys hurt. I don't know if I would want to put this on during the day and wear it throughout the day because it is a gel cream. So I just don't feel like it's a daily moisturizer to put on for the day. Like at night, yeah, let's let it soak into your skin. This would be a perfect cream to put on before bed. So this is it all rubbed in. As you can tell, it's super glossy. Maybe as it dries down more, it'll soak into the skin and not look as glossy, but right now it is sticky. So that is the Simple Hydrating Gel Cream. I do really like the way it feels on the skin. Super cooling, super refreshing. I feel like this could definitely give your face hydration. Like I said, I would not recommend putting this on to start your day. I would definitely put this on when you're ready for bed because it does seem a little glossy and still sticky, but I definitely feel like it is drying down a little bit, not so sticky. But those are the two items I received. I liked both of them. They both performed really well for my first impressions. The hydrating cleansing wipes did what it needed to do. It cleaned my face very well, and then this hydrating gel cream felt amazing on the face, so I'm assuming right now it's doing what it needs to do. I'm very excited about these two products and I can't wait to continue to use them and see how well they work for me. But right now I give them 2 big thumbs up because I really like them. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys have not checked out Influenster, you should definitely do that. Thank you to Influenster and Simple for sending these products for me to try out. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.